Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Audi TT 2005, only 83,800 miles, £3,995. Great condition, service history at 7, 15, 21, 32, 44, 55,000 Campbell, then serviced at 59,000, 62, 64, 68, 70, then 73, 77 and 79,000 miles. 2 keys with the car, 4 owners. Tonneau cover that you can put on there when you fold the roof down. Car comes with the locking wheel nut, key for the alloys, jack, wheel brace and a space saver spare wheel. Lovely, lovely original paintwork. Doesn't look like it's ever had any paint at all. Cloth trim. The roof is electric. You unclip the handle, press the button and it folds up and down electrically. I'll show you that in a minute. Now I've just spilled, that is water from my water bottle on the passenger seat. It is not a stain. It will dry off. I just spilled a bottle of water. Original concert radio, working 5-speed manual, 1.8 petrol turbo, cloth sport seats. Rear spoiler, 2 keys, long MOT, great service history, pretty car that drives so well. I haven't driven one of these for about 5 years, but I don't think I've ever driven one that drives any better than this, even 10-15 years ago. It is superb. 83,838 miles on the clock, had the cam belt done, mega service history, £3,995. Super clean in the boot, it's all there, even the original bag with a litre of oil in. As I say, space saver spare wheel, jack, toolkit, alloy wheel locking key, it's all there. Okay, so I think we have the electric partition, which we do, which we can put like that. So there's the electric glass windbreaker, which has now come up. Fold that back down. Put the roof up. Here it comes. That quick. And we just grab hold of the handle. Pull the handle down and hard with one hand, twist and lock, and that's it. Put the windows up. I'll show you the roof. So blue hood, original, but in lovely condition. Heated glass electric window. Yeah, hood in really good condition. So £3,995 for a very pretty little TT, 83,000 miles, tons of service history, cam belt done, 4 owners, 2 keys, 11 months MOT. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, and nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will be one of the first people in the country to know every time we have a fresh car come into our stock list. You will get a notification. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.